Hey folks, Tom Franiak here, Midwest Cabinets and Design. Hey, we were in the sink base once before, about a video back, and wanted to show you what a proper sink base looks like once it's been plumbed with the new plumbing. You know, a lot of times you'll go into, after the plumber's finished, things will be sloppy and loose, but I actually want to show the plumbing here because this is what a proper plumbing job in your sink cabinet looks like. If you see here, you see a little tie up there where the dishwasher discharge is tied up to the garbage disposal. That's to keep the thing from flopping around when the water's coming out of your dishwasher. And when that stuff happens, that's when problems start. So every part of your job, every part of your kitchen is important. If you look here, you see the supply lines are run nice and clean and neat. They're cut properly. Nothing's like tangled up, twisted around. You can even see the cord down here for the garbage disposal, and that is kind of looped around, running through the back of the supply lines. Everything looks nice, neat, tidy, so that your bottle of Dawn is not going to tear something out of your cabinet. You know, that's how you get a plumbing leak. Every part of your kitchen remodel has to be done to the highest quality with all the best products. Otherwise, things fall apart. I mean, let's face it, how many kitchens do you do? You want this to last a long, long time. You want this to last until you're ready to get rid of it. And when you're ready to get rid of it, we would like to come and get rid of it for you and put a new one in. And we will do a high quality job for you. That's what we'll do. So, Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality comes first. Quality and service come first. Hey, you have a great day, and we will talk to you later when it's time to do your kitchen. Bye-bye.